આગળ વધીએ આપણી સાથે અશોક લેલેન્ડના મેનેજમેન્ટ જોડાઈ ચૂક્યા છે. કંપનીના CFO અને સાથે જ હોલ ટાઈમ ડિરેક્ટર ગોપાલ મહાદેવન જોડાયા છે આપણી સાથે રિઝલ્ટ્સની ઉપર વાતચીત કરવા માટે. Hi sir, thanks very much for joining in. Let me start with the overall numbers. They seem to be robust and the kind of demand that is holding up. I wanted to start with some of the highlights that you can share for our viewers.
I think the results were good given the circumstances, and we have posted a 3% EBITDA. I think it's a significantly better profitability than what it was in Q1 of the current year. Our volumes have also grown. Of course, we can do better in market share, but that we have been doing now over the last 2 months itself. We're seeing improvement in our market share. There was a reason for that, which I'll talk to you later about. All the non-MHCV businesses have also been doing well. LCV has posted a market share of nearly 23.3%. Our export volumes are growing. Aftermarket and power solutions business are doing well, and so is defense. So overall, I think it has been satisfactory. Now we're waiting for the growth in the MHCV business, and for that, I think one of the most important things is the uncertainty of COVID-3 third wave should go away. We're seeing the core sectors performing well. Infrastructure spend, power in certain sectors, and more importantly, real estate is doing well, and so is e-commerce. So I think second half should do much better than the first half.
Okay, talking about the second half, I actually wanted to understand your perspective regarding the input cost scenario, because it has quite increased since past year. And now when we are talking about the kind of the price increase passing on to the customers, how much have you already passed on, and what is the quantum that we would be looking on for the second, I believe, 1 to 2 quarters?
Well, steel prices have been going, increasing month on month ever since possibly October of 2020, and we've seen that trend. Frankly, the industry has not been able to pass on the steel price increases as it would have wanted to, because volumes were low. What we have done at Leyland is we have been increasing prices every quarter. We've done that in April, we did that in July, we have done that in October, and we'll possibly do it in the months to come. We are trying to neutralize as much as possible of the steel price increases, but we'll also have to ensure that we are gaining market share. That is very, very important for us. So our focus first is to gain market share over the next few months, but also increase prices as much as we can. Change the mix of the vehicles as much as possible to gain the overall mix advantage, and also focus on driving up LCV. So hopefully you will see better market shares from us in MHCV, because there is a very clear focus to do that, and also better realizations in MHCV.
And how about the margins? What kind of band can be maintained for the year round? I mean, is there a bit of pressure also that we are witnessing in terms of the cost structure scenario?
One is to pass on the cost. The second one is to reduce the cost. So we are looking at both. And the third one, of course, is to increase the volumes and share. So focus is very clearly on increasing volume and shares. The second aspect of it, we did discuss about how much we can. We will try to pass on, through price increases, but that is dependent on the market as well. The third thing, which is within our control, is to take out costs, and which we are doing. The team, there's a much large team which is working on this, on taking out material cost and also overheads, and we'll continue to pursue that. We have been doing this over the past few years and have, been able to do it pretty successfully. We will continue to do that. Fourth one, most importantly, is we would be launching the CNG range of vehicles in ICV in the fourth quarter. That should help us get more volumes and a greater share. So we'll have more on that in the fourth quarter to announce. And some new product launches will also happen in the MHCV segment, which will help us to gain the customer share.